Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to blur the background or part of a picture on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm just take a picture, I'm just blur this area. So you need to first enable on settings, open your main settings page, click on to Galaxy Eye, scroll down, press on to Photo Assist. At first need to make sure turn on and generative edit, make sure to turn on this. Then you can easily edit this. Click on pen option, click on and this option, select increase or decrease pen size and select the blur effect. Okay, overall setup, and easily blur this area. Press on set. So that's it.